In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to find the latest Costco promo codes. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually the best way to do this I've seen is to firstly go into Google, and by the way you can do this both on your mobile, but of course you can also do this on your computer. So just go into Google, then search like this, Costco promo code. Search for Costco promo code, and as you can see you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. I like to take this first one right here because it seems that this one right here does actually have often the absolute latest promo codes, as at least what I've seen myself. So basically, for example, this one right here, the $20 shop card right here, as you can see, and basically you will be able to now see the code right here. So you can just click on copy, and then you can click on redeem at Costco, and they should sometimes they take you straight to their official website, sometimes not. You can just go into their official website right here, as you can see, for example, this one, and basically you can start now spending, or you can start purchasing the things that you want to be able to get from Costco, but make sure that the items that you're going to get, that you actually apply promo code before making any kind of purchases. So make sure to apply the promo code, and then when it's done, double check so that you actually get the discount. If you didn't get any discount, you can always go back and check if there's any other promo codes that might work for you. But basically this is exactly how to do this.